Hi everybody, we are currently in the garden scene inside the Unity URP sample, and we are going to use MyInteractionKit to actually make this scene interactive. So let's start. The first thing that I want to do is the first thing that I want to highlight though is that this garden scene comes with its own FPS controller, and it's fine. You don't need to put in another FPS controller. The MyInteractionKit actually works with any FPS controller, whether third person or first person, so you can just start. So now I want to try to animate the door, so we are going to use this door. So let's click here, and you have this door right here. Let's rename it so that I'm going to rename it to door I1, so that it's a lot easier for us to find it later. And I'm going to bring it out of all its parents so that it's a lot easier for us to see. Then we create an empty parent, call it interactive, so that everything is inside the every interactive things that we are going to do, we are going to put it under the interactive game object, so that it's a lot easier for you to find it later on. So let's start with door interactive 1. We are going to make the door move in and out, just like the ones in the game. So let's do that. The first thing that we need to do for that is something called a simple twin. So press add component, simple twin. Simple twin is you can find simple twin inside MyInteractionKit, so no problem with that. So let's start with let's close the door properly. So this is the start position. So let's click set start values, then we open the door and we say set destination values. Let's change the duration. The duration is the speed of the animation, so let's go for, let's say, 3 seconds, and we will make it reversible so you can open and close the door. Alright, now that that is done, under MyInteractionKit, go to prefabs, drag and drop your interactable box, put it there like so. Okay, then on interact, drag and drop the door here, function simple twin stop twin, function simple twin start twin. Then we uncheck the disable after interaction, and let's play. Oh, apologies, we forgot to put the door back into its starting position. So let's click the door and click go to start position. Yeah, and now play. So you go to the door, it asks if you want to open gate, and you press E, the gate opens. Then when you press E again, the gate closes. Convenient, huh? Alright, next let's do the other side of the door. So stop that, select this one, this is the door, Okay, so let's call this door I2. Move it to interactive. Oh yeah, the interactable box should be there as well. So from the door from the door I2, we repeat the same process. Simple tween, fully closed, set start values, fully open, set destination values, go to start position. Under interactable box, press the plus again, take the second door, and same thing, simple tween, start tween. So now when you go near it, open gate, close gate. Oh, I forgot to put in the reversible. So in the door I2, reversible should be checked, and the duration should be 3 seconds. So let's do that again and see. There, it opens and it closes. Nice. How cool is that? Okay, so that's one done. The next one we are going to do is we are going to play around with this light. We are going to switch it off and on using a toggle. So let's first select the light. It's got light 1. So let's change this to lantern I1. Bring it out. Bear with me because there's a lot of these things, but it's really important for you to actually take it out, because imagine trying to find this again inside all these things. And when you have a fully developed game, you usually have this much stuff inside, and it's gonna be really a headache for you to find things if you don't do the organizing early on. So this is the lantern. We have put it under the interactive, and the next thing that we need to do is to put an interactable box on it. So since we are only playing with one, so we can just drag the interactable box and do it the normal way. Drag and drop the interactable box, put it as a child of the object that you want to interact with, and put it up. Okay. In order to toggle things in and out, on and off, sorry, what you need to do is to add component, toggle component. Since the light is currently on, so the toggle should start with on. So check the on the toggle. So inside, under is on, press the plus sign, drag and drop the point light into the object slot, and go to game object, select function, game object, set active bool, on. Check that one. And on is off. You do the same thing. Point light, game object, set active, false. Make sure the one for is off is unchecked, because we want to disable the light when you switch it off. Now let's link the on interact with the toggle. So press the plus button, drag and drop the toggle here, press the function drop down, select toggle, toggle on off. Now uncheck disable after interaction and change this description text to toggle light. Okay, so now when you play, let's go to the light. This light, it says toggle light. When you press E, it switches off. When you press E again, it switches on. Off, on, off, on, off, on. Yeah, nice. Okay, so that's the second interaction of today. The next thing that we need to do is we are going to make an interactive video we are going to make a interactive video display here, near here. So how we are going to do that? So the first thing is we are going to drag and drop a video player inside. Now a video player is quite large, so you would need to first put it under interactive. Then let's play with the screen. Screen is huge. I would then scale it down, bring it down, then move the video to this area. We are going to scale it a little bit more down, and we are going to put this in the middle of this. Let's remove the picture scroll, delete it. So now it becomes this cinema kind of thing. Okay, then so on the video player, currently the video player is going to play something from a URL, which is the big bug bunny thing. You can change the URL to whatever, as long as the format is MP4. Okay, let's create an interactable box. So drag and drop an interactable box here, move it a little bit to the front like that. Okay, and drag the interactable box into the video player, because that's how it should be. Then press the plus button on interact, drag and drop the video player into the object slot, press the function video player play. and we should be able to test it out. So now you have that, go there and you press play. Yeah, so you have now a video player, but notice that it's upside down. Yeah, that's my fault, I guess. So let's set the screen. I'm guessing it's totally upside down. So we rotate this so that it's no longer upside down. 0. Let's play that again. See if it works now. Yes, there it is. Done. So now that's done right there. Okay.